Good morning, guys. So, is it possible to get first rank if you are an average student? So, yes, it is possible to get first rank if you are an average student. Like, for example, if your CGPA is 7, if you are like 65% to 70%, this kind of percentage you are maintaining in your college, and you are thinking that, okay, I have to take GATE exam and I'm definitely going to get first rank. These kind of dreams are practical. So, always keep one thing in mind, that as a human, there is no limitation. Okay, what is the main limitation? Main limitation is time and focus. If you are having enough time and if your focus level is of up to the mark, definitely the first rank, all India rank 1 in GATE Aerospace exam is yours. Now see, practically, intention behind making this video is to say you that even though if you are an average student, you can, because see, I know one thing. From your childhood, suppose from 5th standard or 6th standard, you have your memories. Like maybe if I talk about your LKG, UKG, or first standard, second standard, maybe that time memories you don't have. So consider from 5th class, 6th class, 7th class, you have your memories. Okay, you know in your childhood whatever has done and everything. So from that time, like from 5th standard to your 12th standard, or maybe in your during your BTech degree or BE degree, or somewhere there in all these years, at least there will be one thing, one accident, one phenomena, one day, one function, one thing, at least one time you may have felt that, yes man, I have something, I am something, I am different. Yes, I have something, I can learn this. Wow man, I have learned this. Yes, this part, like I am very good in this. Like definitely you may have praised, you may have given very good feedback about yourself, like inside, like yes, I am good. I'm not saying for show off, I'm saying in reality. In all these years, at least there will be one day or maybe more than one time you may have feel this, that yes man, yes man, I'm the boss. Yes man, I'm the leader. Yes man, I'm the hero. There is one hero inside me. Yes man, I understand things better than others. Yes man, I have some X factor. If you have these kind of feelings in your childhood, if you have realized because of some accident or because of some phenomena or because of some important functions or some day at, like, I hope you understand my point, what I'm trying to say. Any time in your past, if you have realized this, then you go to that mindset and then come back again and then think you have 1 year remaining for your GATE preparation. Now, with that energy level, with that kind of mindset that you are the only one who is going to be the topper this year, then you see your thought process will entirely change. What are you waiting for? You are thinking some kind of like, okay, GATE exam is tough. No, I cannot do. See, these all things are virtual because you have not prepared for GATE exam yet. And if you have prepared, you may be knowing that there are some important points you could not complete in last preparation. That's why, or maybe you prepared everything, but because of your own self errors that you consider as your own errors or human errors, because of that you could not get the first rank, or you could not get that rank what you were expecting that year. Okay, so see, out of all these problems and out of all these ups and downs, is there any way to achieve first rank? We are looking for that way. How an average student can perform a first rank? Always I'm saying, I never make videos for smart students. I never make videos for ultra genius people. I always make students to I always make videos to motivate average layer students. Okay, because see, a very smart, a very good, a very beautiful brainy people, they can do anything. Sometimes people are actually smart, but my intention is to put boost in the average category students. Okay, see here, start doing few things, understand very well. Start doing few things, understand very well. See, first of all, you rearrange your routine. Rearrange your routine means from your waking up time to your sleeping time, everything should be well arranged. See, I am not saying that you should sleep at 10 p.m. and you should wake up at 4 a.m. No, I am not saying this. I am saying that you should sleep at X p.m. or X a.m. I don't care. And you should wake up at some X plus 6 or some X plus 7, right? AM or PM, whatever. I mean, this time you will decide as per your like when your work is being over and after that you are about to sleep. So 6 to 7 hours of sleep. Now, what my point is, you rearrange everything. Now, in that, what are you going to rearrange? See, you have to rearrange your self-study schedule. Your self-study schedule you have to rearrange. Means every day you have to target at least minimum 2 subjects. Minimum 2 subjects. So you can take one heavy subject like aircraft propulsion, and you can take one regular subject like engineering mathematics, or you can take aircraft structure and you can take your numerical ability, right? Or you can take your aircraft propulsion, you can take your numerical ability, you can take aircraft structure, you can take engineering mathematics. Okay, once these things any one subject gets over, then add any other subject in this. You add aerodynamics, you add flight mechanics. Okay, but this kind of schedule, 2 subjects in a day, you have to sit and study. So that's what I'm saying. If you are not having any routine, so find out any routine. See guys, getting first rank may not be the game of one single attempt. You may take 2 attempts to get your first rank, because there are few things required and you may not be able to pay that much. Pay means, see, 8 to 12 hours of hard work, 8 to 12 hours of study every day is important. Because in GATE exam, what is your step 1? Your syllabus. You have to complete your 100% syllabus. So actually GATE Aerospace syllabus, you can say that if not 100%, then at least 85% syllabus is important to cover to get your first rank. Okay, now next, when you are completing your syllabus, then how much time you should have for practicing the syllabus. So completion is one thing, and after that you have to practice your syllabus. So for practice, how much time you have to give? So to complete the syllabus, you will take roughly 8 to 9 months. You can say 9 months. And to practice all these things, further you will take 8 to 9 months. Because when you are making notes, when you are preparing syllabus, making notes, preparing syllabus, practicing some examples, this is how you will complete your, how do you make your notebook? You study something, you learn something, and you take down notes, correct? So in this way, if you will go ahead, some examples will be there. So this is how you will make your notes. So this is called syllabus complete. Syllabus done, syllabus completed. Now you have to practice. This is only the main thing. 90% of students, they don't do this. Proper practice they don't do. They think that okay, this completion over. So practice. Now practice part means almost equal time it will take, or more than that it will take, because it depends how much practice you are doing. So if you are into my coaching center, then I will guide you how to do, what to do. Okay, but see, in my coaching center also, students are not paying complete timing whatever is required. See, when they are joining me, that time they are having complete idea. Okay, sir, I am joining you, and sir, I will pay full attention, sir, I will pay everything, I will pay my complete attention. But after joining this, they don't pay. They don't put proper effort. Their dedication I don't see. Okay, only few students, they do what I'm saying. But again, I'm saying, see, from 2015, this was my first batch I taught. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, I'm teaching. And now this batch is running for 2023. I'm continuously teaching students, and I'm seeing I did not see that kind of dedication. Yes, people are hungry. People are hungry. They want rank. But what is required, people are not able to put that much effort. Why are they not able to put that much effort? Because of lot of extra other plans. So that is known as, like, see, You should have your complete discipline. You should have your complete dedication. You should have your complete, see, determination. And if you have discipline, if you have dedication, if you have determination, then only you'll be getting your destination. Okay, so add this 3 D's, then you'll be getting your fourth D. What is the meaning of discipline? Discipline means you have to make set of rules only for you. And this set of rules, best part is you make for every day. Tonight you are sleeping, okay, you make your set of rules that next day I have to revise bending numericals, and then I have to do assignment work for college, and then I have to ask 2 doubt question to our GATE teacher, and then like this kind of work you assign. And this last night whatever you have written, next day you perform this. If you're performing this, it means you are maintaining a discipline every day. And then you write in this mention like at 2 p.m. I'll be free, so I will do 5 questions in engineering mathematics. Again at 7 p.m. I'll be free for half an hour, so I will solve 2 numericals in numerical methods. Again at 11 p.m. before going to sleep, I will solve previous year propulsion problems, at least one propulsion problem I will solve. Means I am saying you, your every half an hour is important. Okay, in your discipline pattern, one thing is very important. One thing is very important. Nowadays, like social media is consuming your time like anything, man. Social media, like you have some social media, like so you have to be aware of that. You don't have to pay your time on your social media. Okay, no need to go for entertainment, because entertainment means if you are going for entertainment, then you will be losing your focus. Okay, it's not like you are going for rest. So see, whenever you are studying hard or something, after that if you need rest, rest means rest you should not go some kind of entertainment. Rest means sit on a chair, lie down, don't keep your phone with you. That is called rest, so that you can regain your energy for your next task. Okay, so that is the meaning of discipline, that you are continuously doing your job, there is no distraction. For now, next thing, dedication. Dedication means to follow your discipline, to follow your routine, whatever you have arranged, you have to be dedicated. Dedicated means yes, I have to do this, means I have to do this at any cost. I am dedicated for this. Suddenly some movie is coming in theater, or suddenly some movie is coming in on OTT, then for 1 year you compromise everything. At least for 1 year you have nothing to do with anything whatever is happening in outside world. Okay, you be for 1 year only for yourself. You have nothing to do what movie is coming, you have nothing to do what cricket match is going on, or who is taking birth, who is dying, who is marrying, like these things you have to avoid. Completely 1 year of dedicated program. Okay, then if you have this much dedication, then really believe me, no need to join any coaching center. By self study you can create history just by self study. But why we all are running coaching center successfully? Because students are not dedicated. And this is one thing, and another thing is students are not satisfied with their college professors also. Okay, that's why coaching centers are running. If everything is doing well, if students are good and college everything is, then there is no existence of a coaching center, right? Like for example, if there is disease, then only there is doctor. If there is no disease, no need of doctor. Correct. So now next thing, discipline. After discipline, dedication is clear, like you have to be very dedicated for this. Like means I am dedicated to do something and I have to do that at any cost. Then what is the next thing? Your determination. For what is your purpose? Like why, like for which thing you are determined? So you are determined for GATE exam. Your goal should be very clear. Means your goal is very clear, no second thought. During your GATE preparation, if you are thinking that I should prepare for IELTS, I should prepare for GRE, I should prepare for some kind of other exam, guys, we are targeting for all India rank 1. Okay, all India rank 1 is going to be a historical result in your life. See, believe me, if you are getting some 50 rank, 20 rank, 30 rank, 10th rank, 5th rank, okay, that is really different. But all India rank 1, Only one time, right? Imagine you got all India rank 3, all India rank 5, but you could not get all India rank 1. So fight for that, focus for that. No one should be strong enough than you, no one should be more focused than you. If you are doing, you do 100%. No one should stand in front of you. Once you are understanding any concept, you should be master of that concept. Okay, prepare like every day and every night, like day and night. Whenever you have free time, you be behind any concept and keep solving the numerical, whatever I am providing on drive course, whatever I am providing in video lectures. Okay, keep continuing this. And if you are not understanding what I'm trying to say, just join my coaching center. I will be giving you homework and you will complete that part. That will be sufficient. Okay, see, so if syllabus is clear, then you have to complete your syllabus in a given time. If in the given time you're completing the syllabus, then you have to go for the practice session. And if your practice session is really good, if you have done all kinds of assignment, all practice, whatever I am giving, you are able to do. See, remember, whatever I am giving, whatever practice session you have to do, I mean, or whatever target you have, if you are doing everything on time, then what is remaining? Then remaining thing is revision. Okay, like now see, in revision also, see some bad habits. People will revise when they will forget things. We should revise things when everything is fresh, when everything is like you have not forgot anything, everything is on your fingertips. That time you should keep on revising your object, because you are not going to forget if you are revising when you are not forgetting. If you have forgot something and then you are revising, it means you are restarting the thing. It will take more time, and you will consume, I mean, it will consume more time and you need to do. So see here, I hope I'm coming to the point. Syllabus complete, preparation practice done. Now we are on revision, and then we have test series. All these things you focus for 1 year. 1 year means, if you are watching this video around a Feb month or March month or something, it means you have 1 month. But this video I am making in June month, and if you are watching this, if you are already preparing for Feb month and March month, very very good. But if you are not, if you have not started yet, then forget that you are going to get your first rank. Okay, and definitely if you are getting first rank, then you are really amazing person, that still you are getting first rank. So fight for first rank, fight for first rank. Okay, changes what you have to make in your life, let's talk about that. I will talk about small changes. Small changes can bring a big change. Suddenly you cannot create a big change in your life. Small changes you have to make. So first, small change. From now onwards, your every single task should be pre-scheduled. It means whatever you are doing, it should be like you are working for any government company, you are working for any strong private company, you are working for any kind of like defense program. Like everything is scheduled, like every single step what you are keeping, it is on someone's order. Okay, now means you have to be totally disciplined. Next thing, you have to avoid a very important point, and that is where you are wasting your time. So this part, this will differ person to person. Someone is spending time on social media, even half an hour if you are spending on social media, this is not good. This is not a good sign. It means you have a less dedicated thing. Okay, now next thing, some people, they used to chit chat with the family members, like brother sister, or some other family members. Some people used to pay so much time with their partners, like girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, like that. See, I am only saying to work for 1 year. For 1 year, you leave, you can do this part, be disciplined, complete your syllabus, and avoid all the distractions. You know what? See, there is a subject called aircraft design, and when I was preparing for this subject in my time, aircraft design, then I got 92 marks out of 100, and this was very good, amazing marks, and marks in our Aeronautical Society of India, ASI. You know, when I was preparing that time, I had a fridge in my room, and like I was also like a kind of general student, so I pasted one thing there: no entertainment, no entertainment, no entertainment. Because I had a very bad habit. When I used to study, I used to be happy, and when I used to be happy, I used to start making songs, I used to sing, or I used to make some kind of art or diagram or something. Like when I used to be happy, I used to involve myself into all these things, and I used to waste 2 to 3 hours. So I was like very upset with my own things, and then I decided, no, I have to do something. Then I know entertainment, because I know like at what level I have gone down. Okay, so I hope how to hit your first rank. Now come back to this. I will rearrange everything again. So syllabus completion is very very important. That should be 100%. Okay, next, whatever practice is required, that should be 100%. Next, you should revise your syllabus minimum 2 times. You should revise previous year question paper minimum 5 times. Previous year question paper minimum 5 times. Okay, you should solve topic wise question paper on every topic. You should solve chapter wise, subject wise question paper. Sorry, I am talking about the online mock test series. Okay, topic wise mock test series, subject wise, chapter wise mock test series, full length mock test series. Okay, you can target 20 to 30 full length mock test series. Okay, they all will help you together. And when you are preparing, when you are solving previous year question paper 5 times, then first time you may not be able to understand the previous year question paper. Second time you will start learning the question paper, and third time you'll be very comfortable. Fourth and fifth time will be like wow. So these things you have to prepare for your GATE Aerospace exam. Now, other than that, flight mechanics and aerodynamics, they are easy but very vast subject. So here in my coaching center, I used to provide all the live classes, and after that I used to provide all the PDFs. So if you are into my coaching center, then you will be knowing which PDF I am talking about. Okay, so all those things are like static knowledge. All those PDFs you have to study for 2 times. That's all. If you are doing this much, you understand. When you study, then you will not be dumb anymore. When you study, when you do hard work, that time you will not at all be an average student. Automatically after every day of study, you will start growing. When you will start growing, then you will be starting facing that, okay, you are growing. You will see that you are growing. You will see that every day buckets of knowledge you are carrying in you. Okay, and I will suggest you to start your day with small meditation. See, one thing I want to make sure here, I am not forcing for anything. Whatever I used to do, whatever I used to say to my students, those things I am saying you to do. Okay, so the meditation time, when you are waking up, that time you go for meditation, or any other time in afternoon or in night time, whenever you are free, little meditation, at least 10 to 15 minutes. And in this meditation, you make sure you talk to yourself that yes, everything whatever I am not doing good, from next day I will start making it correct. Okay, you have to look inside you. You have to be little bit more focused every day. See, every day your focus level will not be same, but if you will practice this thing, definitely every day your practice level will increase. I will tell you about focus. Actually, what happens about focus, some day you will be very well focused, some other day you may have same focus level, next day you may have this much, next day you may not have any mood to study. So when you don't have any mood to study, that time, see, 2 words are there. One is focus and next is force. So in companies, if you will be working, that time whether you have mood or not, because they are paying you, so they will force you to do some work, and you will do that work and task will be completed. Okay, in same way, if your mood is there, then automatically focus will come. If you don't have your mood to study, that time you should force yourself, no, sit and study. Say that you are not preparing for any university exam or something else, you are targeting to make history. See guys, right now we are not in that era where suddenly some aliens will attack and you are going to save the world, or we are not in olden age that we have to go in some war and we have to win the war for our country. Right now, what is our war? And we are going to be a hero just after qualifying GATE exam with all India rank 1. So whatever I have told you here, these things you practice. And very very important thing, completely revision. 2 times you have to revise the syllabus. In my coaching center already I will revise the syllabus for 2 times, and I will also provide you one free crash course for my regular batch student. Okay, right? But if you are not into my coaching center, if you are a self-study student, in that case you have to revise your syllabus 2 times. Okay, then this is the minimum requirement. And one more important logic, you should do some extra, you should hit some other books, you should go and read some other pdfs, you should scroll down on internet, you should go through wikipedia, you should go some standard books. I mean the extra part I'm saying extras, the extra part. But this extra part you should study after completing a common syllabus. Okay, after completing a common syllabus only you should go for extra part. See, like I will be saying to my student, okay, once this much part over, then you take this pdf and complete this and ask your doubts. Okay, right? So if you are into self category, I mean self study, then you are going to guide yourself, you are going to coach yourself. So this will be a difficult part, because I know human nature, every day we are not same. But see guys, see, in Hindi there is a word called tapasya. You have to do that tapasya. Okay, if you want to get very good, very beautiful 1 rank, all India rank 1, and in that tapasya whatever is required you have to compromise. So learn to compromise for good thing, and the good thing is your all India rank 1. Everyone will be happy, everyone will be happy with your compromises. Okay, and I'm not saying to compromise your food or sleep, I'm not saying you to compromise your human nature. No, you work like machine, but be human. But work like machine, definitely you will be getting your rank. Okay, and don't miss the description box. I have qualified GATE exam 6 times, and I am teaching this GATE course from so many years. 2015 was my first batch. So I have so much experience, like I am seeing all types of students. They are coming, they are going, they are coming, they are going, they are coming, they are going. And I'm also seeing what kind of people are getting first rank. Okay, and remember, if you think that you are average student, then believe in very first example what I said. In your childhood there will be something where you can further go and you can feel the same boost that yes man, there is something inside me, at least I am different. And if you have never experienced such kind of thing that I am different, I can do this, if you are never if you are not able to recall any incident in your past life, then no problem, make this year that incident where being an average student you are going to get first rank. Okay, means what? When there is something very challenging, when there is something very much challenging, then two things are two things I mean these two things you should have. First thing, the entire pattern means whatever I explained here. After that, very important thing, your emotional attachment with your goal. Pattern should be there and emotional attachment should be there. See, suddenly like in one time in one like I was in aircraft structure or something, I was doing in aircraft. So I said like my goal is more beautiful than that girl, and that was giving me very much uh, 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 like I was getting like very much positive thing when I used to say that. Like when my friends used to say that that girl, this girl, that girl, this girl, then I used to say to myself, my goal is, I used to take home tuitions and I used to earn money, and my dream was to open a GATE coaching center. This was my dream. And when I was doing all these things, then that time my friends and of my age, they used to do something else. So I used to say to myself, my dream is far beautiful than that girl, than that girl's beauty, like this. So whatever is distracting you, whatever is disturbing you, you make a list and focus on that thing. Whenever phone is in your hand, you focus. No Instagram, no Facebook, only worth things, only worth things. Okay, I hope I will further guide you related to this topic, because at least somewhat you have got motivation, at least somewhat you have got the pattern that any average student can get first rank or not. What is required, that is, every, like whenever you are watching any kind of motivational video or something, Everyone is saying the same thing. You have to be dedicated, you have to be determined, and your goal should be very clear. So to achieve that, you need self discipline. So self discipline is a tough part. See guys, tough part is not gate pattern, tough part is not gate study, tough part is not gate syllabus. If you will purchase my video course, if you will join my classroom program, live class, crash course, I will teach you everything. That is not the tough part, and you will also understand everything. My guarantee, you will understand everything, my guarantee, because I don't leave any student until and unless they're not understanding the topic. What is the tough part? Your regularity is the tough part. So you have to work on that. Only focus on your regularity. So that's all. Revision over. I mean everything over. Just go one more revision. So reschedule yourself. You can say reboot yourself. Make a self-discipline timetable. Keep following that. Sit for kind of meditation or something, and after that, remember, like, you can do this whenever you are feeling uncomfortable, whenever you are feeling nervous. Contact me, like, talk to me that, sir, I am not feeling comfortable, sir, I need to prepare for gate exam now. And of course you should be my coaching student, then only you can call me. Okay, so do this. And if you are self-study student, then never go down, never feel demotivated, never feel that without coaching center you cannot do. No, if you have money problem, don't worry, you can do that. Money cannot stop anyone to be successful person. Okay, you can do everything by self study also. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.